Let's do it. 2018 Topps Tribute Baseball. This is 18 Trib UBBPYT107 at gmail.com. Everybody's got their names and teams. Good luck. And let's pull some monsters. All right. See what this boy looks like. Oh yeah, probably so, man. Rick, what's up, good sir? How you doing, buddy? Oh, Chris Bryant. Here we go. Nice dual relic, Machado and Cal Ripken right there. 48 of 150 right there. Orioles, that is Joe G coming out to you. Joe G. Nice one for Joe. The Duke. The Duke. Oh, Johnny Bench. Next one here, Paul DeJong. 114 of 199. Nice one there. Cardinals, Joey C. Very nice. Joey C, that's coming to you. Sosa Jr. Nice Koufax. Next up, we've got a, Trouty. Purplish, 20 of 50. Right there. Angels, Mike S. That's coming out to you. Mike S. Trout, Purplish. We got a Jake Lamb. There's an Abreu. There we go. Cardinals going to do work again. My goodness, Luke Weaver, blue. 43 of 150. Told you, man. Cardinals and Mets always in tribute. Joey C. Coming out to you, Joey C. They were sitting there, too. Matt Olson. Andrew Benintendi. Next one here is a Don Medley. Oh, man, Shadow Box. That's hot. Look at that. 30 for 30. Joe S. It was worth the wait, buddy. Don Mattingly Shadow. That's sweet. Nice hit, man. 82. Yep, got a stat years there, too. That's pretty cool, man. That's nice. Nice hit, Joe. You got a Verlander. Eric, I agree, by the way. Seriously. 100%. Chris Bryant. And then we got a Jones triple relic. All right. 26 of 150. Right there. Triple Jones. Triple for the Braves. Daniel B. That's coming out to you, Daniel B. We got a Jimmy Fox, 5 of 10. Check that out. It's pretty swift. Right there. That'll go to the A's. Is that the Philadelphia A's or Oakland? I forgot. Is Fox Philly or... I'll have to look. Either way, oh yeah. Yep, KP. KP. That'll come out to you, very good, sir. All right, good stuff. That is Tribute 107. Thanks for joining, guys. Let's save that for YouTube. Now, it says at the very bottom, Eric, you can, like, see at the bottom? Barely. So, that went out to KP. I caught it. All right, guys, that's 107. Thanks for joining.